So there's many different types of adoption. There's closed, semi-open, and open. Like Neil said in the very beginning, he was all for closed adoption in the very beginning because of all the stigmas around it and everything else. As it went on, I started to say semi-open is perfectly fine with me. I'll email, phone call, I have no problem doing that stuff. And then with both our very first failed adoption and then this one, they both wanted 1 year contact. That was hard to wrap your head around. It really is. It's very, when you have your mindset that this is my baby, I don't want to share, I don't know if that's healthy, I'm going to tell you it's the healthiest thing that you're ever going to do for them, because it's better for her to know where she came from than to hide it from her. It's not fair. So the benefits of having this open adoption is we have all of her past medical records. We know all the family history, which you won't get with a closed adoption. Some semi-open adoptions you don't get either. That's the number one most important thing, I think, as a mom. You need to know what you can and cannot do for your baby. And being able to have her health history is probably the number one thing I could do for her.